And we are back. It's your boy Big Bird. Y'all know what it is. Welcome to Act Stupid. Let's get after it. But before we do, let's get into a rap break. Somebody give me a beat. What up? It's your boy Big Fern coming to you live from the App Stupid Studios, and we pushing another rap album this month, ETDS, a mixtape by IDK, in stores now. Get it where you legally consume music, whether it be Apple Music, Google Play, or Spotify. My personal favorites on the track is Devil's Dope. P.O.'s alright, I like P.O. Start to finish, yeah, STF is wild. It is wild. Scary Mary, and that's got Conductor Williams from Griselda. He did the beat. Crazy. Cell Block Freestyle. Life for a Life, and everyone knows. IDK, EDTS, a mixtape by IDK, in stores now. Yo, shout out to everybody, especially IDK. We thought the project was dope, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. And I'm going to stay in the world of college football, but we're going to go ahead and pivot to the courtroom where we have Coach Sherrone Moore, the former Michigan coach. His attorney, because he had his day in court at the first hearing, it says his attorney is saying that the truth will come out, and they are confident that they will get most of these charges, if not dismissed, but thrown out. Yeah. Now, Sean Leahy, he covered this out of Yahoo Sports. You all know how I feel about Yahoo Sports. So sometimes you got to go back through and cherry pick and find out what's going on and then go through other publications to make everything match up. But Sherrone Moore, he had his day in court again on this past week. And Sherrone Moore is saying that he's innocent of the charges. And on Thursday, on behalf of Moore, his attorneys, they filed a motion to quash the arrest warrant and dismiss the complaint. Now, his attorney said that the warrant was issued based on false and misleading statements presented as facts, and they're confident that the truth will come out in court under oath, where it belongs. Now, Mr. Moore and his family, they respectfully ask for privacy. And I always tell people this: when you get involved in private matters, it's just not as black and white as most people want it to be. It's not as, oh, this is it and we're right and that's going to be. No, it's not that way at all. And you set yourself up for having these false opinions. If Sherrone Moore walks away, he'll say, oh, it's a miscarriage of justice. He's a man. No. You need to let this play out in court. Now, if they get this warrant dismissed and they get all of the charges quashed, at this point, what were you mad about? Some people were happy, some people were mad, some people were cheering, talking about the likes of and not. I don't have anything negative to say about the whole situation because I don't know any of these people. And remember, we were on the program, we started knocking down from the indictment. That's where we got all of our info, in the indictment. We did not go out here with rumor, innuendo, people talking about he was walking around bloody and all this stuff. I'm like, look, I don't know. That's not a thing. Then it said that she was pregnant. No. Even in the indictment, it mentioned nothing about a pregnancy or her asking for child support. If she was pregnant, why wouldn't she want some sort of child support? Again, it was everything but, hey, something else may be going on here. Also, how is he the only person fired? If it takes two to tango, and it was really about, oh, they shouldn't be in a relationship of any kind, a consenting sexual relationship between two adults. They shouldn't be doing that. but she got to keep her job and he got terminated. So where does this fall along the lines? Again, Michigan, they may have moved on in their mind because they went and hired a new coach and they tried to go ahead and celebrate the ballyhoo on this guy from Utah. But really, at this point, this is not over. And this story feels like there's a there, you know? Now, his attorney is seeking phone records and Title IX records from the University of Michigan because she believes the statements made by the complaining witness will be more important to the investigation because credibility will always be an issue. And it's that part right there. Remember, on this channel, we read you the indictment. It was in opposition to all of this nonsense that was floating around. Oh, they got caught up because the Uber driver came by and gave someone a Plan B test. That is dumb as hell. All of these credible sources, whatever. Bunch of bullshit. Anyway, his attorney is seeking to quash the arrest warrant, saying, in this case, an arrest warrant is not supported by law, meaning the arrest is not valid, and any evidence taken or received as a result of the arrest should be quashed and suppressed. And this, again, is why you stay out of private business, because it's not always what it seems. And I know this news cycle, especially in sports, it's all about who's going to be first. It's not who's going to be right. Because sometimes being right is not juicy. It's not clickbait. It's not tantalizing. And none of these people will come out and issue retractions because that's not how news is manufactured. It's not saying, hey, look, we got it wrong. Because if they did that, then you would be less likely to tune in. Because, see, they need your viewership. They need you to be complicit in the lie. Our channel is not built on that. If you watch the segments, cool. If you don't, that's cool. But at the end of the day, you will never say I lied to you. You can never say I lied to you. And that has to mean something. They want the case dismissed. This is Moore and his attorneys. And it's the belief that without these misleading statements and omissions, there would be no probable cause for the charges. And if she's successful in getting all of these things she's advocating for tossed out, does this change the view that you have of Sherrone Moore? I don't know. I just don't know. Does this get the stain off of him so he can go get another job in a university? Probably. Does this clear his name? I think it does. But also, if they find that there's more going on than what meets the eye, what is going to be your opinion of Michigan and Michigan's athletics? Remember, when he became the coach last year and they took forever to sign his contract, the season was rolling and going. And I asked a lot of Michigan fans, hey, look, is this how business is done? You're coaching without a contract? I did that. Anyway, let me know what you think. Yeah, you know what it is. Y'all know the drill. Get in the comments. Let me know what you think. We talk back. It's your boy, Big Vern. We'll be back.